northeastern New Castle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 2:30 p.m. At 11:30 a.m., basket radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving into the warm area. 1 to 2 inches of rain are expected within an hour, which will likely cause flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other paths, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that can experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Chester, Slocum, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Martin, Chelsea, Chester Township, and Courtville, Elam, and Nether Providence Township. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles